Known for its stunning architecture, sandy beaches, fantastic nightlife and football team, Barcelona is a tourist hub that you need to visit. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the things to know before you go to Barcelona. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So firstly, let's look at the best time to visit. May and June are the best months to visit because of the warm weather and fewer crowds. July and August see plenty of festivals in the city, but it does get busy with tourists and the air is sticky in the city as well. Visiting in April, September and October are also good times to visit if you don't mind wearing layers, whilst January to March are great times for those travelling on a budget. So now let's look at getting there. Many visitors will fly into the international airport in Barcelona. You can catch a non-stop flight from New York, Fort Lauderdale and Los Angeles, whilst direct flights from Paris, Madrid, Amsterdam and London are also affordable and popular options. From the airport, you can catch the Aerobus in 25 minutes or the train taking under 20 minutes to the stations in the city centre. You could also catch the metro or bus, with some night buses available too. So now let's look at getting around. The metro, tram and FGC are the quickest, easiest and most convenient ways to get around Barcelona. Almost all of the attractions are in walking distance of a metro or tram station, meaning getting around couldn't be easier. Taxis are also a great option, and there are plenty of cycle lanes around the city too, perfect for those wanting to cycle around the sights of Barcelona. So now let's talk about the typical prices. There are plenty of hostels and budget hotels available in Barcelona, with hostels starting at around €14 a night and private rooms in hostels and budget hotels starting at around €35. Mid-range hotels cost between €60 to €100, whilst more luxurious hotels start at €150. You can pick up a decent breakfast for under €5, while simple lunches at local cafes cost under €10. Drinking out in Barcelona can be expensive, with beers starting at around €5 and wine costing more than that, but sit-down meals are available for around €14 per person. If you are travelling by the metro tickets start at €2.40, whilst a T casual card, which includes 10 trips on all lines, costs under €12. So although Barcelona is an expensive city to visit in Spain, there are some ways to save money. Firstly, stick to using those low-cost airlines from around Europe in order to save money on flights, and also visit in the colder months. Enjoy the free things to do in Barcelona as well, like visiting the Roman remains, the hilltop views from the MNAC terraces, or take a free walking tour to learn about the history of the city. You could also check out Barcelona's Magic Fountain or walk around the Olympic Park. And now let's look at the best things to do in Barcelona. Barcelona has plenty of things to offer visitors. Once you have visited La Sagrada Familia, make sure to visit the lesser-known Barcelona Cathedral. Admire the Casa Batlló home before heading to La Boqueria, Barcelona's oldest market. Art lovers can head to the Picasso Museum, whilst football fans should try to catch a game at the Nou Camp, or at least tour the famous stadium. Watch this video to find out the best cities to visit in Spain. Then, to find out ways to save money in Spain, watch this video. We hope you have an awesome time in Barcelona and stay creative.